As a content creator, a YouTuber, a TikToker, it's okay to actually take breaks. Okay. Last week, Think Media is one of the biggest YouTubers, YouTube channel on the YouTube platform. They are one of like the biggest. Okay. And they said they're going to take a break. Let me read it out. We believe that rest should be a regular part of our reading, both as a company and personally for our employees. To back that belief, we're giving our entire Think team the next week off. No uploads, no social media posts, no content creation, nothing, just rest. This week is what we are calling our Sabbath week. And this is only possible because of the momentum and also our team has put in over the years on YouTube. The reality is our channel will continue to grow and get views, and our programs we can't our programs will continue to be purchased even while no one is working. So if big YouTubers like Think Media can actually be taking breaks, how much more you that is still starting out on the YouTube platform? It's okay to take break. Sometimes you will just be planning and things will just be going left. It's okay to actually sit down and re-strategize. What am I doing wrong? Why is this thing not working? Most times the reason why some things are not working is because you've not really actually take that time to sit back and re-strategize, know where your problem is coming from, know what your audience are interested in. Most times the things we love talking about might not be what your audience loves talking about. Like I noticed that let's be practical here. Let's be practical. Where is this phone here coming from, God? Let's be practical here. I love talking about finances, making money online, but I noticed that some persons do not actually like those kind of videos. I've studied my algorithm, and and recently I started doing live streams. I noticed that my live streams do get a lot of engagement compared to my normal videos. This is me. I've taken that time to re-strategize because it's very sad to be putting out content on your YouTube channel and you're getting low views. It's very sad. So most times when you find yourself in this situation, you need to withdraw, step aside, take time, plan. What am I not doing right? Why is my YouTube channel not gaining this momentum? Why am I not attracting the right viewers? Why am I not getting enough views? Why are people not liking my videos? You need to sit down and re-strategize. And most times, one of the ways you can actually achieve that is actually by taking a break. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to take a break. Regular breaks ensures that we are in check, both physically, mentally, and it also impacts our work life. Okay, most times I don't know for other persons, but I think it should work for other persons as well, because most times when I take break and when I come back, there is a whole lot of energy. You are going to feel like, yes, this one has been resting. Like the mood will completely switched. Like, let's say I've been working for so long and I decided to take a break to just chill. When I get back into that thing, I become more productive. I become more energized, like more ginger. Do you get? So most times if you feel like everything sucks, like low engagement, nothing is working for you as a content creator, you feel like, oh, nobody loves your content, take breaks. Yes, take a break, sit down, study your algorithm. What are people interested in? Why is people not liking my videos? Or am I not passing the information well? Am I not presenting it well? I did not like, are they not getting, are they not comprehending whatever I'm telling them? You need to take time, chill, and study your algorithm. Take a break, okay? Taking break doesn't make you a weak person. Taking break doesn't make you a failure. Taking regular breaks allows us to, come back stronger and better. Burnout is real, guys. Burnout is real, especially as a content creator, because most times it gets really overwhelming, it gets really frustrating. You're just exhausted, you're tired of making content because you're not seeing the engagement, there's low views, no one is liking your content. It can really be overwhelming most times, especially when you find yourself in this situation. Just take a step backward. And there you have it, guys. This is everything I want to say in this video. We've come to the end of this video. Okay, this is your sign. This is a sign for you to actually take a break today. If you feel like things are not working as planned, take a break. And this applies to life in general. This doesn't apply to only YouTube, okay? If you, even in that work, even in whatever you're doing, it's okay to take a break. Take a break and come back even better and stronger. Thank you very much for watching Cheeses TV. And if you enjoyed this video, please do well to give me a like. And if you're new here, if this is your first time of seeing me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's fun in here, okay? And also, if you've not been watching my live streams, I'll be doing more of live streams now. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. And if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe now and like this video because I know you enjoy it, okay? And if you have any question for me, please leave it down below on the comment section, as I'll be in the comments to reply your messages. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.